Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Spanish in 5.
We're Alex
And Maya, and we help you learn Spanish in short, friendly episodes.
Today's episode is a little longer than usual.
Yeah, that means more practice, more examples, and more useful Spanish.
We're going to work with everyday phrases you can use in real life.
For travel, for conversations, and for daily situations. The key is to listen, repeat, and don't worry about being perfect.
Exactly. Let's start with greetings.
The most common greeting in Spanish is hola,
Right. Hola means hi or hello.
and you can use it any time of day.
In the morning, though, we say buenos días.
That means good morning,
Then, in the afternoon, we say buenas tardes.
good afternoon,
And in the evening or at night, it's buenas noches.
which means both good evening and good night.
Now, if you want to ask how someone is, you can say,
¿Qué tal?
that's a really common way to say, how are you?
Right, and some common answers are
Muy bien.
very good,
Bien.
good,
Más o menos.
so-so,
And hopefully you won't need this one. No muy bien.
not very good. Okay, let's repeat some of those together.
Hola.
Buenos días,
Buenas tardes.
buenas noches.
¿Qué tal?
Muy bien. Okay, next up, polite words. These are so important in Spanish.
Totally. Spanish speakers really appreciate good manners.
So, por favor means please.
Gracias means thank you.
De nada means you're welcome.
Disculpe means excuse me.
And lo siento means I'm sorry.
These words are small, but they are so powerful.
They really are. Let's practice them.
Por favor.
Gracias.
Disculpe.
Lo siento.
So if someone helps you, always say gracias.
And if you make a mistake, lo siento is the perfect phrase.
Now, let's look at some phrases for asking for help.
These are so useful when you're traveling or just learning Spanish. First one, ¿puede ayudarme?
Which means, can you help me?
Then a classic, no entiendo.
I don't understand. You'll use that one a lot.
For sure. And when people speak too fast, you can say, más despacio, por favor.
Which means, more slowly, please.
Or, ¿puede repetir, por favor?
Which means, can you repeat, please?
And finally, a great one to manage expectations, hablo un poco de español.
Which means, I speak a little Spanish.
Let's repeat a few of the most important ones.
¿Puede ayudarme?
No entiendo.
Más despacio, por favor.
These phrases make learning much easier.
Okay, now let's talk about directions.
Yes, very useful when you're lost in a new city. To ask where something is, you say, ¿Dónde está?
Which means, where is?
And some simple answers you might hear are a la derecha,
To the right.
a la izquierda,
To the left.
todo recto,
Straight ahead.
cerca,
Near.
and lejos.
Far.
So, for example,
¿Dónde está el baño?
and the answer could be, está allí, a la derecha. It's there, to the right.
Let's get you to repeat the key direction words.
A la derecha,
A la izquierda.
todo recto. All right, now let's go to a restaurant.
My favorite topic. First, you ask for a table.
You can say, una mesa para dos, por favor.
A table for two, please.
Then you ask for the menu.
El menú, por favor.
When you order, a polite way is to say quisiera, which means I would like.
Quisiera una paella.
Or you can say para mí una ensalada, for me a salad.
To order a drink,
Agua, por favor.
un café, por favor.
When you finish, you ask for the bill.
La cuenta, por favor.
And if the food is good, it's nice to say,
Está delicioso.
let's practice a few of those.
El menú, por favor.
Quisiera una pizza.
La cuenta, por favor. Now let's go to the hotel.
Okay? At reception, you can say, tengo una reserva.
I have a reservation.
A very important question to ask is about the internet.
¿Hay Wi-Fi?
If you need something in your room, you can say necesito.
Necesito una toalla.
Otra almohada, por favor. Another pillow, please.
And if something doesn't work, like the air conditioning,
No funciona.
let's repeat those.
Tengo una reserva.
¿Hay Wi-Fi?
No funciona. Okay, now for a serious but important topic, emergencies and health.
These phrases are very important to know just in case.
Ayuda, por favor.
Help, please.
Necesito un médico.
I need a doctor.
To say something hurts, you use me duele. For example, me duele la cabeza.
My head hurts.
Or more generally, me siento mal.
I feel bad or I feel sick.
Let's repeat the most critical ones.
Ayuda, por favor.
Necesito un médico.
Okay, let's do a short role play to put some of this together.
Sounds good. Imagine you're in a restaurant. I'll be the waiter, you be the customer. Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Una mesa para dos, por favor.
Sí, claro.
Quisiera agua y una ensalada.
Perfecto.
Now you can try repeating some of those lines.
Yeah, repeat them out loud. It really helps.
Okay, I think it's quiz time.
All right, answer out loud if you can.
How do you say please?
Por favor.
How do you say thank you?
Gracias.
How do you say where is the bathroom?
¿Dónde está el baño?
How do you say the menu, please?
El menú, por favor.
How do you say I would like a coffee?
Quisiera un café.
How do you say I have a reservation?
Tengo una reserva.
How do you say help, please?
Ayuda, por favor.
And last one, how do you say I don't understand?
No entiendo. Excellent work.
So today you learned many useful Spanish phrases.
For greetings, restaurants, hotels, directions, and emergencies.
You don't need to learn everything at once.
That's right. Just choose a few phrases and practice every day.
Little by little, your Spanish will improve.
Thanks for listening to Spanish in 5.
In the next episode, we'll go back to grammar with present tense verbs.
Keep practicing and don't be afraid to speak.
Hasta pronto.